Get a feel for the 2021 Nissan Altima. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, alarm, power driver seat, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.